Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to add or remove the C translation option on our Instagram bio. So you can just go over and follow up these steps for that, and you should be able to do it. So we can start by opening up Instagram for that, tap on it. And once you open up Instagram, you can go to your profile. So look out for the profile option in the bottom right corner and tap on it, and that will give access to your profile. Now from here, you can start editing your profile. So in this section, tap on edit profile. And once you tap on edit profile, you just need to write your bio in a language that is different from your Instagram app's default language. For example, if it is on English, you need to type in another language. Write your bio in Spanish or any other language. So in this bio section, you can just go over and add it up. I'm just going to remove my old one for this and write in a new one. This is something Japanese. So you can just go over and add up any of the language available and look out for the right option in the top and tap on it and save the changes. Now, once you save the changes, what you need to do is view your profile from another user's account or log in with a different account to see the scene translation option appear automatically. So let me just show you. There we go. So right now I have viewed my profile from another profile right here, and you can see right under my bio a option called C translation. So it will appear automatically once you select another language in your bio. So you can tap on C translation in order to go ahead and look out for the original translation that you may be looking for. Now, in order to go ahead and remove that option, what you need to do is basically write your bio in the same language or remove any text that is not in your app's primary language. So go to your profile for that. And once you go to your profile, you just need to tap on this edit profile option. And from there, go over and look out for the bio. And you can just go over and write the original translation instead of any other language. So mine was follow in Japanese. So you can just go over and enter it up and tap on write and do so. Or you can just go and remove the bio entirely if you do not want that option. So tap on edit profile again. And this time you can entirely remove it. So you can just go over and tap on bio and entirely remove it. After that, tap on right at the top and save up the changes. And the C translation option will now disappear when there is no language mismatch for the viewer or there is no bio available at all. And that is it. So therefore, everybody, if you would like to add or remove the C translation option, you can follow up this method for that. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.